Here's a tutorial on how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you open the app, tap the profile icon. Then tap the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. And tap Account. Then tap here. Once you open it, tap Facebook to connect your Instagram. Tap Continue. Tap the Continue button again. Choose the Facebook account where you want to connect it. Tap Continue after you choose. Tap here to finish the setup. Choose if you want to turn on the Facebook sharing or not. You can update this settings anytime. And that's all. Now you connected your Instagram to Facebook. Like and subscribe if it helped you.